As I said, from the speed Jamaat is progressing and spreading nowadays, it seems that the next coming 6 years or so, maybe there will be a fantastic and unique spread of Jamaat Ahmadiyyah all over the globe. He said, we also know based on the prophecies of Hadith Masih Maud al-Islam that the Third World War will take place, God knows, maybe. Also there is too many other calamities. They would like to know how both these things will be happening in the near future.
In the near future or in the far future? The two possibilities. As far as the prophecies of Ahmadiyyah spreading very fast to the dismay of the mullahs all over the world, inshallah we are hoping to gain more than 8 crore Ahmadis in 1 year, the next year inshallah. And when it becomes 16 crores, then you know what will happen to the mullahs all over the world. So this, I hope, is a very difficult task, but I hope, because I believe in the prophecies which have got fulfilled before our eyes. So inshallah this is going to happen in the near future. The Third World War, I hope, will be in far future, because it's going to be a devastating war. It will be a complete holocaust. And although they are trying to prevent it, but it can spark off any time. The only thing why we look forward to it in a way is because after the Third World War, Islam is going to spread much faster in the Western countries as well. At present, it is their pride which is in the way of acceptance of Islam. So when they are brought down like in Surah Taha, ups and downs are all leveled, then inshallah they will turn to the Prophet who has no ups and downs in him. La iwaja lahu. Please.